this is Laverne. Laverne is a Pomeranian mix. She might have some spits in there. She came into us with an eye injury that we've been treating, and she has a little bit of vision issue in the other eye. Her hair has started to grow back, and when she came in, she was pretty itchy. So we've been treating that, and she's improved tremendously. I would not necessarily recommend this little girl for an apartment because she is kind of vocal. She walks well on a leash, as you can see. And she already has been spayed. And she's just looking for her forever laugh to lay on. She's like, go to left. Go to left. She was missing all of this hair on the backside, and so some of that, as you can see, is starting to grow back in. But I'm thinking that they probably shaved her to kind of make her look a little bit more even. But
not supposed to shave them that close.
No. So the length of her hair on her tail is probably what's